So I want to take this cladding off, but they need to get the sockets off. That's down to me. These little screws that hold it onto the cladding. So basically this has been wired with the cladding in mind. They also said that radiator, we're gonna have to get a plumber. Leave it with me. Do these right down. Yep, right down. Shit. So to stop it all leaking out, I stuck that on it. And that's shut down. Then I did the same that end with this tap thing I found upstairs. It needs a plumber. Look at that, even the dirty water comes out of the bloody radiator. The plumbers do anything that's clean.